Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your email on Facebook. With the latest updates on the Facebook app, it's now even easier to manage your personal details. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once it's launched, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the menu options. Next, tap on the gear icon to access the settings. In the Settings menu, locate and tap on Account Center. Once in the Account Center, tap on Personal Details, and then select Contact Info. Here, you'll see the option to Add New Contact. Tap on this option, and then select Add Email. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've typed in your email, tap on Next to complete the process. Your email will now be linked to your Facebook account, making it easier for friends and family to contact you. And there you have it. Adding your email on Facebook is a simple and quick process with these updated steps. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.